everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your civil engineering firm businesses. As an owner of civil engineering firm business, you got many queries of your customer regarding the portfolios, RFQs and customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming as well as a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your civil engineering firm businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of civil engineering firm, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to civil engineering firm. Thanks for reaching out. We are a team of civil engineers passionate about designing and delivering safe, durable and cost-effective solution. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options such as our portfolio, RFQs and support. If I want to know about the portfolio, then I'll click on this option, our portfolio. See, the bot will respond to me like this while providing me one construction design of this civil engineering firm. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual customer support details. In this video, we are going to create this type of chatbot without requiring any coding or programming skills. You have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, so I'll click on this button Flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give to the name to your flow that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our civil engineering firm businesses. So here I am writing the name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start our flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can identify specific types of user messages and extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. After that, now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For this, here I am adding one text button. It will provide me one message box where I can enter my message. Here I write it. After this, at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer that how I can assist you today. For answering this, here I am giving some buttons to my customer with the help of this plus add button. While clicking on this, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option as our portfolio. The second option I'll write is RFQs. And the third option I'll write is support. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now, if my customer wants to know about my portfolio, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one media button. Drag this message box here, select media type as image and upload one portfolio image of my civil engineering firm because it sounds impactful and interesting for my customer. By clicking on this button and select media from my gallery. Here I upload it. After that, here you can see it will provide me one enter caption box where I can write my caption as our portfolio. Here I write it. I write it this our portfolio in the asterisk sign because with the help of this sign, this message will go to my customer WhatsApp account in the bold format. Now I want to add some more details related to my portfolio. For this, I want to add one text plus button. So I'll click on this plus add content. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write more about my portfolio. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of our portfolio to the message where I wrote the details. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. See, it is connected. Now the second option is RFQs. If my customer wants to know about this, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. It will provide me one message box. I drag this message box here and entering the details regarding RFQs in my civil engineering firm. Here I wrote the details about request for quotation in civil engineering firm business. Now I'll connect this circle, drag a line to this message. It will connect it. The third option is support. If my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my civil engineering firm, then they will click on this button. For responding this, now I'll add one another text button. I'll arrange this here. Drag this message box here and writing the contact support details of my civil engineering firm. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message I wrote for my customer. It is completed. After the completion of our flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be updated successfully. So this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your civil engineering firm businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of civil engineering firm. Here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to civil engineering firm. Thanks for reaching out. While providing me 3 different options. Our portfolio, RFQs, support. That we were written here. See, our portfolio, RFQs, support. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me the contactual details of civil engineering firm. If I'll click on our portfolio, then it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how our chatbot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. It will create it without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is possible only with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.